You describe your heart like 1,000 pieces floating into the dark. Hey, you describe your past like a nasty place clinging on your back. Ooh. Hey, you describe your love like a twisted fate of endless pain. Oh, why do you have to be like that? Let me kiss your troubles all away. And you don't have to be like that if you just describe your heart better than I do mine. You're my igniting spark. Oh, babe, I wanna know your best, no matter how it sounds. With all the ups